Hey guys, it's me, Tonia with FGI Homes. I am a part of the TGB Mentorship. I graduated last year, and this is my very first build. I'm projected to finish this project in 6 months, and I'm going to bring in over 6 figures on my very first build. The mentorship was excitingly scary. I'm a person that typically likes to jump and build a plane on the way down, and that's exactly what I did when I decided that I would transition from transportation to new construction and become a builder. I absolutely enjoyed it, but every single day I was doing it with fear. Having both Royce and Anthony as mentors gives me the opportunity to have, I would kind of say, like 2 big brothers that's there to direct me, to correct me, and to make sure that not only am I building, but I'm also profiting. I personally have had the opportunity to work closely with Anthony as I do this project, and I can honestly say that I have not come across another mentor that I'm able to have a one-on-one session with or a small group session with. I love the opportunities that he has presented. I love the extra information that I've been able to get. A lot of people don't realize that your mentorship doesn't actually start until after the class. And the moment you realize that is the moment you'll begin to grow. So once I figured that part out, the rest was smooth sailing. Life is all about making choices. Sometimes you're gonna make a choice and it's going to take you in the direction that you want to go. Other times you may make a choice and it's gonna take you somewhere that you didn't imagine it would take you. But one thing you should remember is that scared money doesn't make money. So if you're concerned, if you're worried, you can take it from me that this mentorship is absolutely the place to be. You're not gonna get scammed. So I would just say go for it. Get up and do what you want to do.